Hi, my name's Emily. Welcome to Tasty Tiger.
My name's Dakota. Welcome to the Tasty Tiger.
Today we're gonna make easy pad thai. So, yeah.
For this recipe, you're going to want 4 ounces of rice noodles, 1/2 pound of pork tenderloin, 2 teaspoons of canola oil, 2 thinly sliced shallots, 2 minced garlic cloves, 1 large egg, 3 cups of coleslaw, 4 green onions, 1/3 cup of rice vinegar, 1/4 cup of sugar, 3 tablespoons of reduced sodium soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of chili garlic sauce, 1 tablespoon of lime juice, 2 tablespoons salted peanuts, and fresh cilantro to garnish.
Yep. The next step is to cook the rice noodles until they're al dente, which means until they're like good quality. So the rice pot is over there, and
We have
our
to
rice
get that up to
is
boiling.
right there. Yeah, so that's going to take a little bit.
Our next step would be to stir fry the pork until brown. But first, you want to cut the pork tenderloin into thin strips.
Okay.
All right. So we're going to quickly cut these into thin strips here.
Okay, so that's on. Then we're going to put in some oil. So we have our oil on now to cook them.
So once you get this into a bunch of thin strips, you want to toss it into that oil and stir fry until it's browned. So what you want to do is you want to toss that in there.
You have to face it away from you when you're putting
Yep.
in so it does not get you.
You don't want to
It
get
really
splashed by
hurts.
oil. It's not fun. I've done it.
Yeah, and it's like bouncing.
I'm going to wash my hands real quick.
Okay, we want to make sure it's like not too hot, but not too, you know.
You don't want to overcook it.
Yeah.
Next step. All right. So it looks like our water is boiling. So what we're going to do is we're just going to quickly drop these noodles in. Just let them rest on the side there until they're nice and folding in. Next step.
Okay. So then the next step is to add the shallots to the pan and cook until tender. Then add your garlic to make a well inside of it, so you can put your egg in there.
So first, you will want to cut up your shallot. You don't want to drop this whole thing right in there. Won't be fun, won't be pretty. So first, you want to peel your shallot. All right, looks like that's browning.
I feel like it needs a little bit more. I just turned it to that side. Yeah. So they'll get like super small. Not like super small, but they'll be way smaller. So.
All right.
Okay.
Next step.
Okay. Check that. No, look. Be careful.
Oh.
Yeah.
You don't want to boil everything over.
Yeah.
That's not fun. I've also done that before. So what you want to do, once they're nice and al dente, get the strainer, put them in there, and take all the water out. First, we'll see if they're nice and cooked.
Noodles really don't take that long to cook, but if you cook them even a little bit over, they'll like be bad. So it's like, I know people say noodles are easy to cook, but I've made a lot of mac and cheeses and I've screwed up like a lot.
These noodles need to be in there for a tiny bit longer. All right, those are looking good. So let's throw the shallots in there.
Yeah, so we're gonna like cook everything together, like so.
Okay. What else do we need to put in there?
You need to put garlic, and then after that, a little
Can you
bit.
mince the garlic?
Okay, now I'm gonna mince the garlic, but I'm getting rid of this first. Because
Don't need that bit. Putting the shallots in ups the flavor immensely. It's very good.
we probably don't need the whole garlic, so. But we could if we wanted to make it
2
garlicky.
cloves.
Okay.
You only need 2 cloves, not the entire thing.
Yeah.
Don't put an entire thing of garlic. It's not going to taste very good, unless you like that.
It is really hard to get these off, so.
What you're going to want to do while somebody is mincing the garlic, you're going to want to beat a large egg in a bowl, like so. You want me to get that? You want me to get that?
Yeah, I know that.
Alright, just keep beating that.
Oh, okay. You're talking about that. Yep, I get that. So, and then after we cut the garlic, we're gonna need to cut the green onions. I think the rice noodles might be done in a little
yeah,
bit.
they should be. You want to get them?
Yeah, give me 1 second. Okay.
So what Emily's going to do is she's going to strain the noodles.
Yep. And you gotta be careful with it, because, like, even the end thing is a little bit hot. Yeah, they're cooked, just by looking at them. Oh no, my god. Yeah. Okay.
We're going to add a little bit more oil in there.
Okay. So you're gonna want to put it back on this so it doesn't, like, burn the other surfaces. And turn it off.
If you want to tend to those. If you want to tend to those, that'd be
Yeah.
nice. So
So,
just set the
I'll
rice
just put
noodles
this here.
aside.
Yeah.
So once
those are
you're
good.
done peeling your garlic, you're going to want to mince that until nice. Those are probably nice. The pork's probably cooked.
Yeah. Okay, on lower. Make it through. Ugh.
There isn't any particular size you need your garlic to be. It just needs to be small. Alright. So now you're going to want to throw your garlic in there with your egg.
Yep. I'll cut the onions.
The garlic adds flavor while the egg adds texture. Very good. Now you'll want to stir that around a little bit. Put it a little bit lower on the heat. Once you have those added, you're going to want to add all of your sauces and the green onion.
Okay. So,
Add your green onion,
a little bit more.
your rice vinegar. You're going to want to add coleslaw till you see fit. We're going to be using about 3 cups.
Okay, and then I have a lineup of what we'll add next.
All right.
And then
Let
our
me get chopping
noodles
these
will be
peanuts.
last. Okay.
You're going to want to add your sugar.
So I have
Lime
never
juice.
chopped these before, so I'm
You've
a
never
bit
chopped
nervous.
peanuts, really?
No.
It's not hard. It's like chopping anything else. Your
Oh.
chili garlic paste.
Okay, I thought they would go everywhere. It's a bit hard to get a handle of them though.
Your soy sauce. And your fish sauce. Now you'll want to stir that around until it's nice and done.
Okay, I'll do a bit more.
Alright, that looks good for the peanuts.
Okay, yep.
So now you're going to want to add these in.
Yeah, those gonna be hard to handle.
Not really.
Well, I thought they were.
These will
hard to
give it a
handle.
nice nutty taste. Very good. And
Um,
last but not least, you're going to want to add your noodles.
ta-da, noodles.
Noodles. Alright.
Yeah.
Doing it like this will be easier.
Yeah.
Get them less tangled up. And now you're just going to want to mix that all together. Once you think that they're heated through perfectly and they're steaming, you're going to want to take it off the burner, off the heat. And there you go.
All done.
Easy pad thai.
That was the Tasty Tiger. Thank you for coming into our segment.
And we'll see you in the next segment.
Yeah.